Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about how to attract more people to buy from you. Let's get started. Sellers are building their Facebook pages to showcase their products to their customers. Even if they have tons of page likes and not even 10% of those fans purchase their products, their page likes are not valuable to generate sales. First, engage with your customers. When posting content on your Facebook page, your goal is to get your followers and viewers' attention. They may engage in your post if they find it interesting. You must make sure to reply and engage with your followers. When you don't engage in your posts, people will find it hard to trust your brand. Most of the time, people choose to buy products from a brand once the page owner or admin connects with them. It is important to engage with your fans. Take note that Facebook shows your posts to your fans when you as a page owner or admin takes the time to engage with them. So if you want your future posts to be seen by your fans, make it a habit to reply to every comment on your posts. Next, showcase your products. You can attract more people to your products when you share photos that are of high quality. Take the time and effort to shoot good-looking photos, especially for your products. First, choose a location where you can have good lighting. You can have studio lighting or natural lighting. When you have a garden or a wall that is uniform in texture and color, you can use this as your background for your products and use the natural outdoor lighting. If you choose to take photos indoors, you can have an artificial product photography lighting or use a ring light, then place it on the top of your product. Also, shoot multiple photos from a variety of angles to show your customers how your product exactly looks like. Doing this will avoid having to set up the products and take photos again when your customers ask for more angles of the product. Next, promote exclusive offers. More people will be attracted to purchase products when they discover that the products that they're interested in are on sale. People are more likely to purchase from your shop when you promote a sale that is time-bound. Create an urgency, and people will not pass out on any opportunity to purchase your products since they know that they can save a lot of money. You can create a one-time only offer, which is good for one-day promotion. You can offer a time-sensitive offer that is applied to e-commerce websites. It shows a discount offer that shows a countdown before the sale ends. These types of offers will attract more people to buy from you. Next, set up a Facebook shop on your page. Shops can add a great feature on your Facebook page. Not all Facebook pages enable this feature on their page. Your followers can browse all the products that you are selling inside a shop without browsing all your Facebook page content. Ask your customers to share their experiences and offer incentives. Once your customer purchases your products, you can ask them to submit photos that shows the product that they have bought from you. In return, you can inform your customer that they will receive an exclusive discount or bonuses once they share their feedback with their friends. Ask them to give a review about your product so that this will entice their friends to try your products as well. This will grab more people's attention to be aware of your brand and learn about your products. The recommendation from someone they know will add an assurance that your products are legit. As a result, they will choose to buy from you rather than finding other brands that offer the same product. Next, do a weekly Facebook Live. Using a live broadcast can attract more people to your brand. Facebook will show your live video to more people on Facebook. You can show a tour of your physical store, promote your upcoming events, promote your products, or sell your products using Facebook Live. Live broadcasts can encourage people to check out your products. When people see your live video, they will learn that your products are great as if seeing it in person, and it will entice them to purchase from you. Now that you know about how to attract more people to buy from you, we can now proceed to the next topic, how to increase your online sales organically. I'll see you there.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.